Okay, now let's look at example 5. So example 5, we focus on factorizing difference of two squares. Okay, what do you must think? Difference, so it's a difference of two squares. So you have two square numbers and a minus between the two terms. Okay, so for an example, I have x squared minus y squared. X squared is the square number, okay, because the square root of x squared is x. And you have a minus between the two terms. If you don't have a minus between the two terms, you can't apply the difference of two squares. Okay, what does it mean? So we have x squared minus y squared. We factorize this. So we'll have x there, x there. X times x is x squared. Some of you call it dots. Okay. So that's x and x, you get x squared, and you'll have y and y. Then you'll have a minus and a plus. It doesn't really matter whether you start with the plus or the minus. Okay, so this is what you mean. You square root the first term plus, okay, or you can say minus, plus the square root of the second term, then in bracket, square root the first term minus the second term. The second term is y squared. Let's look at some more examples. Okay, so here I have x squared minus 9y squared. X squared is the first term. The square root of x squared is x. So I'll have x there, okay, my minus, okay, then plus. Then I'll have the square root of y squared, which is minus 3 plus 3y. Minus 3y plus 3y. I can have minus there, then a plus there. Doesn't really matter if you put a plus or a minus first. It's the same thing. Okay. Second one, let's look at this. So I have x, 16x to the 4 minus 49y to the 6. Okay. So let me rewrite this actually. Bracket, in bracket, in bracket. Okay. What is the square root of x to the 16x to the 4? That will be 4x squared. This is completely wrong. This is not correct. Okay? Because the square root of this is not the x to the 8. So the square root of 16x to the 4 is 4x squared. Then I have 4x squared. I can put a plus there, then a minus there. I'm sure this is difference of two squares because I can square root the first term and I can square root the second term, and there's a minus between the two terms. Then what is the square root of 49y to the 6? That would be 7y3 and 7y3. Okay, good. Then you can do your exercises and then mark yourself.